Hey everyone, guys, today we're diving into a review of Lavish Ivy, specifically the Lavish Ivy dress, and checking out the site lavishivy.com to see if it's a legitimate place to shop or is it possibly just another online scam. And if you're thinking about buying, here's what you need to know, guys. So what is online Ivy, right? The Lavish Ivy is an online store that basically markets, trendy and stylish dresses, especially on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. And their items are appealing and are advertised, guys, at affordable prices. Look at these prices, guys. These are pretty affordable, really, really affordable. For these kind of clothes, they're very affordable. So, which definitely catch the eye of anyone who is looking for a great deal. But there are some things, guys, you should know before you should consider hitting that buy button, right? So, some of the red flags on lavishiv.com. One is the lack of transparency, right? Look, Lavish IV lacks clear information, okay? Clear information on their website, like detailed company information, an about page, or even a reliable customer service contact. Websites like with little to no transparency can be a warning sign, okay? It's a major red flag when a store doesn't openly share who they are or how to actually reach them, right? And then another red flag is the pricing, okay? While low prices can be enticing, items are often marked down far lower than you'd actually expect, guys, for quality products, This tactic is common in scam sites to attract quick sales, and while you might think you're getting a bargain, you might end up with low quality products or nothing at all, okay? And if you dig in, guys, if you dig into the customer complaints, okay, if you dig into the reviews online, and there are multiple complaints, guys, about Lavish IV. Many customers report issues such as delayed shipping, okay, receiving incorrect or even low quality items, or in some cases, not receiving anything at all, guys, okay? Customers often mention that trying to get a refund or support has been almost impossible, guys, as they don't get responses from customer service, okay? And there's another concern, which is, fake or misleading product images. Look, there are also concerns about the product's authenticity. There's some buyers believe that, look, the images on Lavish Ivy's website might be stolen or edited from other fashion sites, so they may not actually be authentic, meaning what you see in the photos may not be what you actually get in person, guys, okay? And one other thing, guys, is actually no social proof or credibility on or there are not that many trustworthy reviews on established platforms about Lavish Ivy, which raises doubts about its legitimacy. The reviews that do exist on their own site may be controlled or even fabricated, right? So it's actually hard to get an honest look at the customer experience. So is lavishiv.com worth the risk? Okay, is it worth the risk? Well, considering these points, Lavish IV seems risky. The low prices and attractive ads may be tempting, but if you're looking for a reliable shopping experience and quality products, this might not be the place, guys. It's always a good idea to stick with well reviewed sites with a strong customer support track record, especially when it comes to online shopping. So, the final verdict, okay? So, is lavishiv.com legit? It seems like it may be more of a scam site based on the red flags we've covered. If you're looking to save some time, money, and avoid a lot of hassle, it's likely best to avoid this site. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching. And remember, guys, when it comes to online shopping, always do your research and trust your instinct, guys. Make sure you subscribe so I can see you